Hello, my dear 7th standard social science students. Good morning, all of you. I am your social science teacher, Arul Raj Abraham. Students who want to make great progress in the future, if you follow this, you can achieve perfect progress. Whatever it is, success is guaranteed if you finished the day works. Now, students, take a pencil along with page number 161, lesson topic landforms. Of your social science first term textbook, we will now find the answers to the questions at the back of the lesson. First, correct the answer. Choose the correct answer. First question. Dash is a deposition of river sediments along the foothills. A. Blanque Pool. B. Alluvial fan. C. Flood plain. D. Delta. Answer: alluvial fan. Second question. Kuttalam Falls is located across the Dash River. A. Kaveri. B. Pennar. C. Sittar. D. Vaigai. Answer: C. Sittar. Third question. The landform created by glacial deposition is A. Cirque. B. Arret. C. Moraine. D. Tan Lake. Answer: C. Moraine. Fourth question. Large deposit of loess are found in A. USA. B. India. C. China. D. Brazil. Answer: C. China. Fifth question. Dash are not associated with wave erosion. A. Glyph. B. Sea arc. C. Stack. D. Beaches. Answer: D. Beaches. Roman letter second. Fill in the blanks. First question. The process of breaking and glumbling of rocks is dash. Weathering. Second question. The place where the river joins a lake or a sea is known as dash river mouth. Third question. Inselbergs are found in the dash Kalahari Desert in South Africa. Fourth question. A circuit is known as dash in Germany. Answer car. Fifth question. The first longest beach in the world is dash Miami Beach. Answer Miami Beach. Roman letter third. Match the following. First, breaking and clumping of rocks. Answer weathering. Second, appointed meander loops. Answer Oxbow Lake. Third, large body of moving ice. Glacier. Fourth, crescent shaped sand dunes. Answer perchance. Fifth, Wampanoag Lake lagoon. Answer lagoon. Fourth, consider the following statement and tick the appropriate answer. 1. Ascension A. The deltas are formed near the mouth of the river. Reason R. The velocity of the river becomes slow when it approaches the sea. A. Both A and R are correct. B. A is correct and R is wrong. C. A is wrong and R is correct. D. Both A and R are wrong. Answer A. Both A and R are correct. Second assertion. A. Sea arches a stand become the sea strikes. Reason R. Sea strikes are the result of wave disposition. A. Both A and R are correct. B. A is correct and R is wrong. C. A is wrong and R is correct. D. Both A and R are wrong. Answer B. A is correct and R is wrong. Fifth, answer the following. Define erosion. Erosion is the breaking and falling apart into small pieces of the rock on the earth's face. Second question, what is a blanket pool? A blanket pool is hollow feature at the face of a waterfall which is formed by cavitation. Third question, formation of oxbow lakes due to continuous erosion and dispersion along the sides of the meander. The end of the meander loop comes closer and closer. Next point, in due course of time, the meander loop cut off from the river and forms a cut off lake, an oxbow lake. Fourth question, name the major landform formed by glacial erosion. The major landform formed by glacial erosion: Cirque, Arats, U-shapes valley. Fifth question, give a note on mushroom rocks. Answer, first point, winds, the active agent in the desert, erode the lower section of the rock more than the upper part. Therefore, we can see rocks in the shape of a mushroom having narrower face and wider top. Sixth question, what is a lagoon? Give an example. Lagoon is a shallow strength of water partially or separated from the sea. Example, Chillaka Lake, Odisha, Pulicat Lake, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, Vembanad Lake, Kerala, Next question. Distinguish following distributary and distributary. Distributary and distributary. First, distributary, small streams that join the main river. Second, river Bhavani, example river Bhavani. Distributary, river channel that get separated from the main river, example river Kollidam. Second, V-shaped valley and U-shaped valley. V-shaped valley is an erosional landform of river. U-shaped valley is an erosional landform of glacier. Next, the running water is the river erodes the landscape and create a steep side value like the letter V. The glacier erode landscape and create a dependent and wetted value like the letter U. Next, third, continental glacier and mountain glacier. Continental glacier, first point, the glacier covered vast areas of a continent with a thick ice sheet. Second, Antarctica, Greenland are continental glacier. Mountain glacier, first point, the streams of ice flowing along a valley. Second point, the Himalayas, the Alps are mountain glacier or valley glacier. Seventh, give reason. The end of the meander loop come closer and closer. The end of the meander loops come closer and closer because the continuous erosion and dispersion take place along the side of the meander. Second, floodplain are very fertile. Floodplain are very fertile because first point, when the river floods, it deposits layer of fine soil and other material called sediments along its banks. This leads to the formation of a fertile floodplain. That question, sea caves are turned into stacks. Sea caves are turned into stacks because the cavities of sea caves became bigger and bigger only. The roof of the caves remain, forming sea arches. Second point, Further erosion breaks the roof and only walls are left, and this wall like future are tracks. Students, it is not enough for students to find the answer to the questions. You have to memorize it immediately. Tomorrow success is our if you try to render. Write the answer to question Roman letter 1 to 3rd of the Roman letter to the back of the question and send it to WhatsApp. My dear students, we will meet again in the next class. That's all. Bye, students.